Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Affiliates Den. This is Danish and I am here with another commission update from MLGS. MLGS meaning My Lead Gen Secret. With that out of the way, we'll be jumping right into the dashboard. And while I am doing that, I would appreciate if you could hit the like button if you think my content is bringing any value to you, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Let's log in. This is the main dashboard. First thing first, I will show you how many emails my lead gen secret has given me. When I say email, I meant leads. So far, I have collected 26,300 quality leads. And my commission, well, from the last video, I can tell you that I was somewhere around here. Yes, this was the last video. 4 days ago, I posted a video, and this was my last commission. And since then, I've made a direct sale of $5 with an one-time offer upgrade, $5 again, and then recurring commission from an subscribed customer or affiliate or referral, whatever you want to call it. So that's the update for now, and I will share as soon as anything changes. I will share some, you know, the status of my account again in the next video. Now, if you want to know, if you are new to the channel, if you and you want to know more about my Legion secret, then you can click to the link on the top right corner of this video, or go to the description and check out the my Legion secret review series that I've created. And if you go through the videos, you'll understand how easy and simple this is, and of the best ways of making money online in today's period. Currently, this is the best. So do that if you feel like this is something you want to try. Until next time, see you guys. Take care of yourselves and others around you. Oh my God, what happened there?